Nice to see you.
Oh, good to
Listen,
meet you.
it's nice of you to let us visit. We're interrupting you, aren't we? It sounded
Oh, no,
good
no, no,
coming
no,
down the
no, no, no,
hallway.
no. You're not interrupting me at all. It's a pleasure to see you.
I think you know everybody.
Hi, how are
here.
you?
Yeah.
Yeah, how are you?
Well,
Great.
we're here. What can you tell us about all this stuff?
Oh, this. Well, instead of me telling you about it, how about if I show you about all of this stuff?
Okay, that sounds good.
Want to do me a favor?
What?
Could you just say your name into this microphone?
Tatiana Ali.
Watch this.
Tatiana Ali.
Who was that?
Tatiana Ali.
That's how you sound. What do you think of that? Huh? Did you ever hear yourself before?
I have.
Yeah, you have?
You ever heard yourself sound like this, though?
Tatiana Ali.
What happened to your little voice?
Do it in low.
Tatiana Ali.
Is that funny?
Do it real low at this key.
Okay, watch this. Oh.
Do it at the last key.
But you know what? I'm going to show you something different. Watch this.
Tatiana Ali. Tatiana Ali. Tatiana Ali.
It's two of them. Right? Watch this, though.
Tatiana.
How about this?
Shame.
Well, you know what you want to? You know what I want to do for you now? I want to show you a whole room full of Tatiana Ali's.
Oh, big.
You want to see that? Watch this.
Make just one. Hi, Tatiana.
You know, we have in the Fix-It shop, we have a monitor. But I know this is a monitor, but what do you need a monitor for in music? What are you looking at?
Okay, the great thing about this is that because we have a monitor, we can see what the sound looks like. Not just hear it, but see what it looks like.
Oh, I
So-
see. So that's a picture of sound of a note?
This is a picture of Tatiana Ali.
Yeah.
Look at that.
And this is a different kind of picture of Tatiana Ali. And I'll show you a third one even. Look at this one. That's Tatiana
There you go
Ali.
again.
See? So we got three different pictures of it.
He's a flying pig.
Looks like a flying pig, right?
He looks like a flying
Well,
pig.
so if you change,
We can even change the sound of Tatiana Ali to sound like kind of like a computer voice.
Okay.
Let's see. You know? Isn't that funny?
you know, and this it looks almost like the piano in Bob's apartment, but or an electric keyboard. Is it an electric keyboard? Does it do more or?
Oh, yeah. Well, see, this is not just a piano. Because it is a synthesizer and because it's a computer-based synthesizer, this instrument, this keyboard, which works with this computer here and this monitor here, and also there's a typewriter keyboard that Clive is in front of. All these
Hi.
all these things work together, and you can have so many other different kinds of things that you can't do on a piano. For example, I can play one note and have a bunch of notes come out. I can hit one and you hear a bunch of notes come out. Like this. See, a bunch of notes played. A different kind of sound. What do you think of that? And it can make all kinds of different sounds.
Can you make an elephant?
An elephant, we can make.
Noise?
I can make noises too, but you know what? You know what I want to make now?
What?
How about a flute? Are you want to play a flute?
Yeah.
Play this note. See? Flutes. Isn't that interesting? And this is something different right here.
It's a music box.
It's a music box.
Yeah.
Hey, Kate, you want to play the music box? Here, play that. You like that one? You know what I want you to do, Craig? I want you to make laughter. How about that?
Okay.
Play this note. Sound like monkeys laughing.
Yeah, well, what is laughing? Huh?
We can't tell.
Look loud.
Dogs laughing. Dogs laughing. That's what
Look
that's
at
Well, watch
what
this.
it sounds like thunder.
Watch this. Watch this. This is gotta be funny, right?
It's gonna go.
You know what I want you to do?
What's that?
Play this. Hold it.
Well, on that note, thanks a lot. On that note also. Thanks
on
for
this note,
letting
too.
us visit. Say goodbye to Herbie Hancock.
Okay, bye. Thanks for
All
coming
right.
by.
We'll see you
next time.
again. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Let's see now, Clever, where were we? Oh, I know.
I think on Sesame.
Okay, we're gonna do Sesame. And let me put these controls back the way I had them.